This is a what's in the box for Cryptid, which is, I think, a 1 to 4 player game. I don't know exactly, but it's a deduction game, but it's got a unique take on the deduction, and a cool looking cover. Maybe not as cool looking components, but the gameplay is apparently really good. So there's your instructions, advertisements. These are books for each of the players, so I guess it is up to 5 players, looks like. So each player is going to get a book with the rules to find the monster. Here are the different tiles that you have to punch out for I guess, the world to find the monster, and all the wooden tokens, and the board setup tiles. So this will show you the board setup tiles and then which passage in your books to look at depending on the number of players, which is cool. So it's apparently a very cool deduction game. Basically, you're going to set up the board, and then each person's going to have a clue to where the monster is, and then based on those, like, the clues, you will be able to find the monster in exactly one spot on each board. So they've done a really cool amount of work with this deduction game, and it's a neat game because a lot of deduction games are, you have a role and you're trying to hide that role. In this case, you're just trying to hide information that each of you have a piece of, which is very neat. So there you have it. That is Cryptid. If you enjoyed this video, please take a look at our other videos and please subscribe.